One, understanding debt. It's one of the most misunderstood financial tools. For many, it's the villain that keeps them stuck. For others, it's a stepping stone to wealth. So what's the difference? Good debt is an investment in your future. Think student loans that lead to a higher income, or a mortgage that builds equity over time. Bad debt? That's credit cards with 25% interest, personal loans for things you don't need, or payday loans that dig you deeper into the hole. Sure, your sneakers look great, but are they worth paying interest for the next 6 months? Probably not. Here's the scary part. Bad debt doesn't just steal your money, it steals your time and your future. Every dollar spent on high-interest payments is a dollar you could have saved or invested. Now that you know the difference, let's talk about how to tackle bad debt while using good debt to your advantage. 2. Eliminating bad debt and building momentum. The first step to saving $10,000 is eliminating bad debt. But where do you start? Enter the debt snowball method. List your debts from smallest to largest. Focus on paying off the smallest debt first while making minimum payments on the rest. This creates a momentum, and every small victory motivates you to keep going. Who knew paying off a $200 credit card could feel like winning the lottery? Celebrate those wins. They matter. But here's the kicker. You need cash flow to attack that debt. Review your budget ruthlessly. Cancel subscriptions you don't use, skip takeout for a while, and put that money straight into your debt payments. Why the rush? Because every month you delay, those interest charges grow. The faster you eliminate bad debt, the sooner you can start building wealth. Now, what about good debt? Can it actually help you save $10,000? Absolutely, and here's how. Leveraging good debt to build wealth. Good debt isn't about splurging, it's about strategy. When used wisely, it can be a tool to grow your income and achieve your financial goals faster. For example, a small loan for skill building could lead to a promotion or side hustle that pays off tenfold. The key? Only take on debt if it creates more value than it costs. Pro tip, if the debt is for something shiny but not essential, it's probably not the kind you want. When you use good debt strategically, it acts as a stepping stone. It helps you grow your income, and more income means more savings. But here's the thing, saving $10,000 isn't just about cutting costs or avoiding debt. It's also about making smart money moves, and I'm about to share the ultimate strategy for keeping your savings on track. You've tackled bad debt, you're leveraging good debt, but what's the secret to staying consistent and actually hitting that $10,000 goal? Stick around because this final tip will guarantee your success. 3. Continued. Automating your way to $10,000. Here's the ultimate hack, automation. Set up automatic transfers to a dedicated savings account every time you get paid. Treat it like a non-negotiable bill you pay yourself first. When you automate, there's no temptation to spend that money. Out of sight, out of mind, and into your savings. Relax, you'll survive. Emergencies are why we budget, not why we rate our savings. Combine automation with the momentum from eliminating bad debt, and you're unstoppable. Before you know it, that $10,000 goal will feel closer than ever. Saving $10,000 in a year isn't just about numbers, it's about mindset. It's about understanding your relationship with debt, making smarter choices, and staying disciplined. You've got this. Which part of this plan will you start today? Drop a comment below and let me know. And if this video inspired you, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. Your journey to financial freedom starts now. Let's make it happen.